my name is Hannah Lather, and this summer I did my internship at Dr. Tamer Salam's lab at UCLA, and my mentor was Elena Sanchez, and my project would be on the characterization of DDX17 in macrophages. So before I begin, I'll be going over the clinical relevance and why DDX17 was our focus. So first of all, atherosclerosis is a very prevalent condition that can lead to cardiovascular disease. It is caused when cholesterol plaques build up in the artery wall, causing an inflammatory state. Examining these inflammatory pathways can be meaningful to see new therapies for atherosclerosis. DDX17 is an RNA helicase that is involved in multiple RNA processing pathways, and recent research has shown that DDX17 can act as a sensor detecting certain RNA and activate inflammasome complexes. Inflammasome-driven inflammation is a very major contributor to atherosclerosis. Therefore, studying DDX17's role in the immune system, particularly in macrophages, can be important to see if it has a role in the inflammation in macrophages. So our hypothesis was macrophage DDX17 plays an important role in atherosclerosis. And our objective was to create a DDX17 knockout in macrophages and examine their response to inflammatory stimuli. I'll be moving on to the methods. So first, how do we achieve the DDX17 knockout? First, with the Cray mice, we insert a lyse-M crate, which is a macrophage-specific crate. And for the LOXP mice, we tag the target gene, which would be the DDX17 gene, with LOXP insertions. And in this gel electrophoresis of the DNA, you can see that in the wild type, in the lower bands, these will be the DNA without the LOXP insertions. In the heterozygous, they'll be the bands with LOXP insertions. And as you can see in these sequences, these will be the LOXP insertions basically. And when we cross the Cray and LOXP mice, we get the mice with the conditional DDX17. So this will be a little techniques overview. I start with the Cray positive and Cray negative mice. And to clarify, Cray positive would be the cells without DDX17, and Cray negative would be the cells with DDX17. And I would incubate them in different inflammatory triggers, and then we analyze the DNA with qPCR and the